Have you ever noticed your voice suddenly crack or squeak right as you yawn? That odd sound isn't just random. When you yawn, a muscle called the cricothyroid in your voice box stretches your vocal cords unexpectedly. It's part of your laryngeal system, which controls the pitch and tone of your voice. Yawning causes a rapid change in tension, disrupting the usual harmony. This hidden system not only gives you your unique voice, but also protects your airway. Each yawn reminds us, small, repeated actions shape how our bodies work over time.